Hello. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I just found my very first junk journal. First one I ever made. And I just thought I wanted to show you and myself how far I've come in my junk journal journey. This is very basic because basically I didn't have a lot of supplies back then. So the cover is cereal box with some black just like copy paper over, and then a page from a coloring book inside. I did have I think the first I bought was a set of inks, and I'm on my second set now, so they go a long way because this is from 2022, so that's 3 years, so I'm still new. So yeah, most of the pages are coffee dyed or tea dyed, and this, for example, is from an old curtain I found in the charity shop. And I had some, I bought some junk journal supplies, some paper, some cheap. I think I bought it from Shane or Sheen or whatever it's called. And I had some supplies from a friend also who had given up on her card making, so that helped a little bit. But yeah, this is old book pages, and there's an envelope there. Old book pages and pictures, napkins, Edith Holden book I bought as well, my own drawings, my favorite quotes, I bought one of those cheap thermal printers, but obviously they don't work because the pictures just disappear over time. But lesson learned. I made this one as well. My favorite people. Oh, what do we got here? Oh yes, there's one here as well. My siblings, my children, and me and my husband. And again, us two old thoughts. So yeah. Oh, you have to see this. This is what we see from our window every spring. That's beautiful, isn't it? Big old cherry tree. Or cherry flowers. That is so amazing to see every spring. And this little guy is Monty, my daughter's dog. Very cute. And that was the year the Queen died. Thought I would put a few words in for her. I got physics machine that Christmas, so of course I had to try some dies, put them in here. And one of the little books, extra writing space. Me and my daughter being a bit silly. Yeah, that's just another good way to add some extra space. And another little book in here. So yeah, that was my very first junk journal. Had no idea what I was doing, but I love it. As you can see, very basic, but you can start with anything. Just start with what you have. And just as a comparison, this is my latest finished junk journal. So I think I've come a bit further in 3 years. And another one, my personal journal, the one I'm working in at the moment. Just trying everything in here and recording my days, and or some of them when I think something is happening, and also when I try new things I put them in here just to see how it works. My birthday card from my colleagues. So yeah, I love my personal journal because it's just filled with everything and anything, and I'm trying new ideas, and something is working, something is not working, but that doesn't matter, because as long as you have fun making what you're making and you enjoy it. And this is my little sanctuary, my place to relax and forget about the outside world, which I guess is everybody's thing, I can imagine. So yeah, just a quick run through of the difference between my journals. So if you feel that you can't do it because you haven't got this and that and the other, don't worry about it, just start, and you'll see that the less you have, the more you have to use your imagination and your yeah, just try to think outside of the box and find ways to get around So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little talk from me today, and I will see you next time. Bye.